Hi there, please like and subscribe. Yeah, first option city to city. Yeah, or yeah, city to city. Yeah, we can just create requests and write offers. Yeah, for first one. City to city, send your package to another city. Open it. The city, fill in your and the receiving details and what kind of trip do you need. Select send a package. In comments, describe your package size and important delivery info. Enter fair price in the price field. That's it. Now just wait for drivers to respond and get your package ready. Yeah, verified drivers. We verify driver identification when they sign up and regularly review their profile photos. You only see verified profile, so you can confidently choose the right driver based on their rating in the car. Report violation. If a driver violation any rules or reason for the paid the app, please flag them at the end of your trip or contact our support. We review every message and block any driver who violate our rules. Safe and driving. We monitor driver speed and make sure they're taking appropriate rest breaks. If our system detects any violation, we contact you write this product. The app includes an SOOC button to call emergency services, ensure 24/7 support, and that option to share your live routes with loved ones. Your mobile routes. Okay. Yeah. From pick app address we can choose on map, and the two. Date and the time. Tomorrow, Monday. Departure time. What kind of ride do you need? Send parcel. Private ride. Comments. Fair. Okay. Let's check. Create a request. Yeah, searching for drives, wait for calls. Yeah. You can cancel. Yeah. Yeah, driver will start calling you. Yeah. Do you agree on right? Yeah. They won't call after you confirm. Yes, we agreed. No. You can just yes, we agreed. Driver reviewing request 99 per. Oh my. Yes, we agreed. You will see right details and will be able to leave a review on the driver. Yeah. Driver confirm right. Tap done. Yeah, we can cancel a request. My request. Tap reject right. You are canceling the right. I'm not satisfied with the car ride, but so I want to change the request. Yeah, long wait. I don't need a ride anymore. Yeah, send part. Right offers. Yeah. For example. We can call name, cost, date, comments, name, driver offer, car, city, date, top we can more about Drive. 503 rides, rating 5, 67 reviews. We can just call. Please like and subscribe, I beg you.